Good morning everyone and welcome back to the Alchemy tutorial class. We have already completed the chapter on division. So today we are going to start a new chapter that is multiple and factors. Multiple and factors. There are two topics, two words you are listening, multiple and factors. So today I will teach you what the word multiple means. What is multiple? The product of two number. Product means what? Multiplication sign. Multiple. Multiple means the word multiply. It means something related to multiply only. So when the product of two number is the multiple of the answer you get is the multiple of a number. Let's see on the board. The product of two number is the multiple of a number. Suppose I write a number 4 into 2 is 8. So 8 is the multiple of what? See, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. This 8 is the multiple. The product of two number. When you multiply the two number, you get a product. This product 8 is a multiple of the number 2 and 4. It is a multiple of 2 and 4. See, I have written for you. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. This 4 is a multiple of what? This 4 is a multiple of 1 and 4. 1 into 4 is 4. Now 8. 8 is a multiple of what? 2 and 4. 12 is a multiple of what? 4. 4 into 3 is what? 12. 4 into 4 is what? 16. 4 into 5 is what? 20. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, all these are what? These are the multiples of 4. When you multiply two number, you get the multiple. Suppose they ask you in a question, write 5 multiples of, let's take an example, 3. First 5 multiples of 3. Multiples means when the two numbers are multiplied, we get the multiple. You have to find the first 5 multiples of 3. So let's take 1 into 3. First 5. So this is the first number. So 1 into 3 is what? So this is your first multiple. What is the first multiple of 3? First multiple of 3 is 3. Now let's find the second multiple of 3. Second multiple of 3 is what? 3 twos are 6. Third multiple of 3. You multiply the 3 3 times. 3 threes are 9. Fourth multiple. Fourth multiple of 3 is what? 4 threes are 12. And the fifth multiple of 3 is 5 threes are 15. So 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. What are all these? These are the multiples. 5 multiples of 3. So what we do is we multiply this 3 with 1 to find the first multiple. We multiply this 3 with 2 to find the second multiple. And we continue this way till we get the 5 multiples of 3. Multiple is nothing, just the table. Suppose they ask you first 7 multiples. Write the first 2 multiples of 7. So how will you write the first 2 multiples of 7? Suppose they tell you write 2 multiples of 7. Then how will you write? Multiples of 7. First multiple of 7 is what? 7. Second multiple of 7 is what? 7 twos are 14. Third multiple of 7 is what? 7 threes are 21. So 7, 4 are multiples of 7. Is it clear? Multiple is nothing. The product of two number is the multiple of the number. To find the multiple of any given number, you multiply that given number with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Is it clear? I hope this multiple is clear with you. I have a small video for you. You can watch the video and we meet in the next class teaching furthermore about multiples and factor. Thank you and have a nice day.
Welcome to this module on multiples of a number. Let us learn about multiples of a number. What is a multiple of a number? Let's consider the number 2. Now multiply the number 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. By doing so, we get 2 into 1 equal to 2, 2 into 2 equal to 4, 2 into 3 equal to 6, 2 into 4 equal to 8, and so on. The multiples of a number are formed by multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. To find the multiples of 7. Find the first 4 multiples of 7. Solution. We can find the multiples of a number by multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the first 4 multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, and 28,